Ultragroove Metal by Pace Edwards. More versatile than any out there. Ultragroove is a sturdy, easy-to-use cover that secures your cargo and does a better job of keeping water out. The turn knob that unlatches the cover is underneath, and edges are beveled, giving it a smooth, clean look. It unlatches quickly and closes just as easily with a pull on the built-in strap. It can engage every 12 inches and is out of the way when you want access to your truck bed. With its clamp-in design, Ultragroove is easy to install. No drilling required. But here's what makes the Ultragroove so versatile. Its built-in RES rail expansion system makes it easy to attach nearly any Thule or Yakima rack for bikes, skis, kayaks, snowboards, surfboards, cargo boxes, and more. Ultragroove Metal has rigid aluminum panels with a durable powder-coated matte black surface. While it's a state-of-the-art retractable cover, what really sets Ultragroove apart is its ability to change to match your mood and interest on any given day. Which begs the question, what's going on today?